Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Udioutlet.shop. So as you can see, we have it here on Scam Advisor. So they're actually rated 1 out of 100 and 41 people rated it bad. So as you can see, they only have 2 positive highlights, which is a valid SSL certificate. The DNS filter labels this as a site safe. And the negative highlights are that this website seems popular but is also young. Negative reviews were detected for this website. This website has a lot of reviews while being very young. The age of the site is very young, and spam has been associated with this site by IQ abuse scan. So this app itself, or this website itself, is more than likely a scam. And right here, they also rated risky on Grindsoft. So they actually go over how popular is this website and how to block it. And they also go over what it is. So it is an anti-malware block. Udioutlet.shop. So it is a suspicious website. So this website implements data collection forms requesting personal information, including names, email addresses, phone numbers, or other sensitive details. So please refrain from using this app since your information might be compromised. And yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.